teaching you how to make a pizza. I have cheese, pepperoni, and barbecue turkey. We're gonna do half side cheese and pepperoni and the other side barbecue turkey. So let's get the dough on here. Oh, I forgot. First we need to sprinkle flour onto the table. You know why I'm not putting it on the table? Because if you put it on the table and then you try and put it on here, it might break apart. And you want to get this kind of flour. Now we're going to put the dough on. You want to put it in the middle so then you don't make it go outwards, rolling it on the side. So you want to do it in the middle. And we need to sprinkle some flour on the roller so the roller doesn't get sticky on the dough. You want to make sure to get the flour off when you're gonna put the pizza in the oven, or it might get a little floury. Now we're gonna do the rolling. Roll with me if you're just watching this video while cooking. You want to keep on turning it and doing all 4 sides, or if you just do one side, it might not look that good. Did you know one day I taught my dad how to cook a pizza? Please don't tell me I have flour in my hair. Nope, no flour. Done rolling, so it's top. Oh, I forgot. You just want to fold the sides in because that will be your crust. And just so I don't have to tell you while I'm doing the sauce, you don't want to get the sauce too close to the crust because it might taste a little saucy crust. Okay, now time for the sauce. You just want to dump a little and then go get a spatula or a spoon to spread it. Spatulas can be pretty hard, but not that hard. Spoons can be pretty easy. You first want to make a line here so you don't cross that line because that's going to be your crust. So you want to make a line so you don't pass it. I forgot. I had a spoon right here. Oh, way too much. You want your parents to be watching or you might get how much I got. And when you're gonna put in the oven, let your parents do it for safety. So you don't burn your hands. So let's put the chicken. 1, 2. You can grab 2 instead of 1 by 1. 2. 1. Time to do the enormous one. Boing. Good barbecue. That was just the oven. It's preheated now. We're done with the chicken, and now we're gonna put the pepperoni. This is the yummiest part. Not as yummy as the chicken. You can just do a circle or all over. Oi, I got it. Uh-oh. It's okay. That's why you need parents to clean your messes up. Okay, we're done with the pepperoni. And now we're gonna put more cheese. Want to put a lot because then you'll have super melted cheese. And you can do this to get it all over. Uh-oh, it's on the edges. Here goes our pizza. We're gonna put it in the oven. Dad, it's the best part. To eat the pizza. Voila! This is what the pizza looks like when it's done. Go check yours out. It might look as good as ours. Keep practicing, and you might teach your dad, like I teach my dad, how to make a pizza. This is the end of the episode. Click the subscribe button, hit the bell, and like this video. Bye!